Hello, today we're going to be making a puff pastry bake, or you call it puff pastry pizza. There's not very much difference. So we're going to be having so we're going to have puff pastry with haricot beans, pesto, chopped up vegetables, and broccoli on the side, and some pesto. Have I already said that? I know. And some cheese, and the first thing you want to do is you just want to chop up the vegetables. I'll see you in a second once we've done that. Also, while my dad's chopping up the vegetables, I'm just going to open the haricot beans. Cosmo's interested. Yep, very interested. Yep. He's trying to jump. Also, put the beans in the microwave for like this. Are we gonna use this?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
should I put this in, or this? Which one?
Yeah, use the empty one. So maybe record it and say you're just going to put. No, stop. Just say I'm going to put a glug of olive oil and turn it on to number 7, and then turn it on.
Also, I put. Once you stir it for a minute or two, turn it down to number 6. If it's going quite slowly, when you put it on number 7 to start off with, if it's going quite slowly, you can just turn it up to number 9, but once it reaches number 9, turn it down to 6. Also, turn it down to number 5, just a little bit after that. Also, if you want, you can put some pepper in and a bit of salt. Right, I think I'll add a little bit more in. Right, that's good. A pinch of salt. That much. Yeah. Okay. Now stir it up. Also, you're going to need to get a baking tray. If you haven't got one of them, just pause the video, go get one. And now we're going to get our puff pastry and take it out. Take it out and just then roll it out. Okay. So now we're going to put the beans in, like this. And we're also going to put a bit of pesto in. And we're going to pour it all on here. Oh, what should put that in? Put how much, like? 2 spoonfuls in. There. That's about 2 big spoonfuls. So once you've done that, just mix it for a little bit. So now what you need to do is you need to put the oven on. Underneath me to 180 degrees, and you're gonna pour all of that on here and add some cheese on, which I have around here. Try to get the cheese blocks. Should I get all of them, Danny? Okay. And you just get all of them. Here, about this much, and just sprinkle them on top. Sure? Place them. Okay. Right. We've done this. Now, next time we'll see us, this will be out, and this will be out, and it will be all ready. Bye. Also, put it in for 20 minutes. This is what it looks like when it comes out. If yours doesn't look like this, don't worry. It probably will taste the same. So now I'm going to try it. Right, let's see how this tastes. so nice. Oh. Mm. If this is really now energy, I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching this, and bye.